Hello, good morning, everybody. I hope you're having a good morning. Today is 28th of January. So we'll start analysis with the chart on the screen. This is GBP USD. Yesterday we were looking for a sell on this chart. And remember what we said? We mentioned that the price is currently within some shape. We had a line like this, and then we also had a line from the bottom like this. Then what we were expecting, we wanted price to continue up to at least this resistance level before it bounces off from that point to the lower side. So unfortunately that did not happen. Instead, the price just bounced off from this point and then it went straight to the lower side. As we're speaking now, it's almost hitting our target. So the reason the price did not reach this point is most likely because we had a resistance level at this price. So this is like a resistance level which the price was actually coming back to, not this point. So it's still okay. Sometimes the price may hit just a horizontal level and then reverse back to the lower side, or the price may go up to a diagonal, like this trend line, before reversing to the lower side. So as it happened yesterday, the price reached that resistance level, then reversed to the lower side. It's now heading straight towards our support level, which is at this point. So should the price break and close below this trend line, we do expect a continuation much lower up to this point. The next level where the price may go up to is this point, and then the next level where the price may go up to is this point. So these are the places where, should we see a break below this trend line, then we expect a continuation first up to this point. The next level is this, and then the last one is this 1.34514. The next chart, USD So you remember this yesterday we took a buy on it. If you can remember what we did yesterday, we had like this. So we said that this was like a resistance level, this is like a resistance level, then there was this breakout above this resistance trend line. So after the breakout, the price continued just as we expected it. So we are still upwards even now. There are no clear signs that we're supposed to sell it. So I recommend that you keep looking for more buy positions, keep looking for more buy orders, expecting price to move much higher. Expecting price to move, continue upwards. Expect price to continue up at least up to this point here. So if you are looking at this chart yesterday, you could have taken a buy based on this price here, and then you could also have taken a buy after the price has broken above this level. So you can see this like a resistance level, this like a resistance level. There was this gap from this point. Expect price to continue up at least up to this point here. So we had a gap. You can see the price closed here, it opened above it before continuing upward. So when you saw this gap, that there's a resistance level here, then the price has gapped above it, the next candle comes down up to somewhere below that line, then this could have been the correct place to look for a buy from. While the price is below this level, we expected it to continue up at least up to this level here. So these are the places we want price to go up. So if the price reverses from 104.397, then that will give us a good place to look for a sell from. But if the price breaks beyond that level, then that will be another good place to continue looking for a buy from. So we'll move forward to our next chart. So this is Euro USD. you remember this also, yesterday we had a forecast on this, and we did mention that this is a sell. We said that the price should be sell off on this chart. The main reason we said this was a sell is because we actually had an expanding wedge formation yesterday while we were forecasting. The price was around this point. So we said that if the price had pulled back up to this point, then this was an ideal place to look for a sell from. Somehow the price did not reach this level. Instead, it just went straight to the lower side. But if this could have happened, that is, if the price had continued up to this resistance level, then that could have given us the correct place to look for a sell from. So yes, this is still downwards. We keep looking for sell positions on this. Actually, we wanted price to reach this level. It has not reached already. We expect it to go up to this one, 1.2056. I mean 1.20546. A break below that level will mean we are continuing to the lower side. So we're going to move forward. We'll move forward to our next symbol. So basically SP500 has crashed somehow. Looks like we are headed straight to the lower side. So don't worry, this is still not a good buy. So I don't recommend a buy on this chart anyway. As much as the price is pulling back to the lower side, I still don't recommend a sell on it. So I'll explain why I'm saying this is still not a sell. Okay, look at how upward this chart is, how much upwards you can see on this chart. Even despite the crash which we had earlier last year, listen, the price still recovered significantly to the upper side. So this, in my opinion, is still a buy. I don't recommend sell positions on this chart. Wait for buy positions, especially around these key levels, 3512.6 or this 3262.4 or this 2998.6 or this level here 2282.2. So should the price come back up to this point, then this may give us a correct place to look for a buy from. That may give us the correct place where we want to look for a buy from. So the next chart I want us to look at is Brent oil. So Brent oil, actually, this is upwards. This is still upwards. There's some consolidations, but we are still upwards. This is the place where I'm saying this consolidation. We take this low, sorry, the lowest close with this one, and then we take this. So it looks like the price was previously in an uptrend, then it has entered into some consolidation here. So if the price should break below 54.604, then this may mean we are continuing downwards up to this point. And if the price breaks above 56.823, then this will mean we are now continuing to the upper side. So expect price to continue upwards after breaking above this range. Should we see a break above the upper level, then that will mean you're continuing upwards. And should we see a break below the lower level, then that will now mean we are continuing to the lower side. The next chart I want us to look at is gold. So gold also is consolidating, but in a bearish manner, which means the price is consolidating but to the lower side. So as it is now on this chart, we still do expect sellers to come in at least up to this point, up to somewhere around 1682.39, and then we have this here, have this level, then you have this level, and then you have this level here. So if the price comes back to the lower side towards 1785.19, this will be a good place to buy from. And if the price moves up to around 1952.98, this will be a good place to sell from. So either we wait for price here, or we wait for price here, or we wait for price here, or we wait for price at the top. So that should be the end of today's session. I will meet again tomorrow at the same time. So thank you. See you.